IT due diligence is an increasingly important thing, which is done when somebody is acquiring or merging with a business. In the olden days, it wasn't so important because IT systems weren't such an important part of a business process. But today, we have companies that may be web-based, entirely web-based, or companies that will have a lot of its channels to market through digital technology. So in order for you to acquire, for somebody to buy a company, they will then inquire about the IT in that business. So they will then instruct either their own IT people, so if I'm buying a company, my IT people, or I will instruct a third party to go and check that company out. And the sorts of things that will be looked at is, do they have the right sort of systems, or are we going to have to invest millions of pounds on new systems? Do they have the right sort of people looking after their technology, or are we dependent on those people? Are the systems reliable? Are they up? Are they working properly and efficiently, or are they falling over every Tuesday afternoon? What happens when there is a problem, when there's a disaster in that process? So let's say I'm acquiring a company and a fire happens, for example. Not likely, but I've actually been through this process personally, and they do happen. So the sorts of what kind of precautions is the company I'm buying, what have they put in place to deal with that? So due diligence is an important process these days when buying or acquiring a business. And in a merger situation, it's also important because you need to know if you're merging your systems with another company, which system are you going to choose? What are the quality of the systems that you're buying? Are you buying a rat's nest of confusing systems, or are you buying something to which you can hook your systems in easily? That's what IT due diligence is all about. It's identifying what are the key issues and what are the key risks in that transaction.